Alright guys, check this out. You're looking at a 6-on-6 teeth custom fitted grill set. Now this one here is gold plated over 925, solid sterling silver. Check that out. You got your diamond dust and the diamond cuts combination. Now this is a 6-on-6. You can get this on other combinations such as an 8-on-8, 10-on-10. That's up to you. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US, free mold kit, beautiful handmade work. Well, thank you for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.